Hey everybody, welcome to Kayla X Shonie. I'm Kayla, and in today's video, you will be following along with me as I decorate the large bathroom in our apartment. Okay, so this is a shot of how our bathroom looked before. The first thing we're going to start with is switching the outlet covers from white to black to match the bathroom. This is a small tip that can help upgrade any space. So here's a budget-friendly tip for artwork. We decided to make our own artwork by going on Google and Pinterest and finding prints. Then we printed it out and went to the Dollar Tree and got black frames, and we framed them in Dollar Tree frames. So we just used the leveler and command strips to hang these 3 photos. Now I'm just adding a few decorative towels to bring a little bit more color to the space. Now I'm just adding these corner shelves that I found on Amazon so that I'll be able to sit my bath salts and bubble bath and soap. Okay, here I'm hanging this really nice white shower curtain that I found at Target, and I'm using black shower hooks to hang it. Okay, now it's time to decorate, which is one of my favorite parts. So I'm just gonna let you watch along with me while I decorate, and I'll have everything that I bought listed down below and where I got it from. Now I'm going to be installing these wall shelves that I found on Amazon. This is a really great way to add more knickknacks to any space. So if you don't have any counter space and stuff and you want to add more decor, just get you a few wall shelves and hang them up. Now it's time to decorate these shelves, and again, the items will be listed below in the description box. Now I'm going to be putting this little tray on the back of the toilet for little knickknacks and tissue. And the tip to get that to stay in place is to use command strips on the bottom. Now I'm going to let you guys watch along as I put a few more decorative items around the bathroom. And here's the final results of how the bathroom turned out. We were going for spa vibes, and I feel like we definitely nailed it. This is the perfect bathroom to come to after a long day of work if you just want to relax and take a nice bubble bath. So we really love it, and we hope you guys love it too. If you did, leave a comment down below. And for more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell button so you can know anytime we upload a video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.